here. Here we have a circuit with 5 voltage and 10 ohm resistor. Let's say the current flowing in this direction, I. Now what's going to be the current? To find out the current, we can use the Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I times R. If we rearrange this equation, this I is going to be equal to V divided by R. V is 5 voltage, R is 10 ohm resistance. 5 divided by 10, we get 0.5 ampere. Now we found out the current. Now let's see what we can can we find the power and stuff like that. So here you have to know that when you have a voltage and if you have this small and big one, the small one represents negative sign, big one represents positive sign. And here the resistor here is positive, this is negative. So what is the power across this voltage? You can see the current is actually entering the negative side of the voltage battery. So the power is going to be negative. So if we take power across this 5 voltage, this P5V is going to be equal to negative VI, because the current is entering the negative side of the voltage. So if we plug the values in this equation, P is equal to 5, voltage is 5, so I plug the 5 here, and the current we found out that's 0.5 ampere, and if you multiply both of them, that's negative 2.5 watts. Since the power is negative, this is power supplied. P5V is supplied 2.5 voltage, 2.5 watts. Watts is the unit for the power. Okay, now let's look at what is going to be the power across this resistor. If you look at the current flow direction, in the resistor is going to the positive side first and then going to the negative side. So for the resistor, the power is going to be positive, 10 ohm. If you calculate the power across this resistor, we are going to use, like when you are using power across the voltage, make sure you're using equation that's related to voltage. When you are using power across the resistor, you can use the power related to resistor. Like how you can derive it, like P is equal to VI, that's the power formula, VI. And whenever we are dealing with resistor, what we do is instead of V, we can place IR. So this is going to be I square R if we do that, right? So P is equal to I square R. That's the equation I'm going to use right here. I is 0.5 ampere, that is square, and then resistor is 10 ohm. I put 10 here. And if you calculate this one, that's going to give you 2.5 again. That is watts. And here the power is positive, so this is power absorbed. 10 ohm equal to absorbed 2.5 voltage. So here you can see the power supplied is equal to the power absorbed. So that one is called conservation of energy. In this circuit we have conservation of energy. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my